Okay everybody, here's a very instructional video on how to dump a truck affectionately known as the Goose. First, put your foot on the clutch, grab hold to this knob here closest to the seat, pull it straight up, okay? Don't do that. Make sure that it's all the way up, engaged. You may have to grind it a little bit to get it in. And then, back the old girl into position. Once you get her in about the position you want to dump, take the transmission out of gear, let your foot off the clutch, take this handle here, and pull straight up. You'll see the bed begin to move. Let off of this handle, pull forward to remove load from the truck. Then you take and you have to turn this handle just a little bit like that and push it down. That'll let the bed back down. Once the bed goes all the way down, you can let off of this handle. Now this one, you have to take and turn it almost a full turn. Put your foot back on the clutch, and then you take and you go. When that handle stays down, the PTO is now disengaged. And that is how you dump the Goose.